Hey, what up you guys? So today I have a crafty haul. I'm feeling under the weather, so sorry for my appearance, but let's just jump right into it. So I have a Tuesday morning haul, a scrapbook.com haul, and a scrapbooking for less haul. So from scrapbook.com I just only ordered 3 things, which was Maggie Holmes, because I don't have nothing Maggie Holmes. I was excited to come across this, and I got the carousel crepe paper by Maggie Holmes, and this is what you get inside. Very nice. I'm super excited. So I purchased 2 of them, one for me and one for my mama Dukes, because you know I gotta get my mom Maggie Holmes because she hooked me up with Maggie Holmes from Tuesday morning. And then I also got the crepe paper Maggie Holmes. I think this is the carousel as well, and that's what it looks like there. You guys already probably have seen these already, but I wanted to share that with you real quick. That's it for scrapbook.com, right? Really quick. Okay. And then my mom went to Tuesday morning and she found a few things. The whimsical pink paisley 40-piece count of ephemeras, and it was $1.99. This is what you get inside. You know me, I love the butterflies and the birdies. I just love it all. She also picked up for me the Illustrate Faith, and this is Seeds of Faith paper pieces, $1.99. Bella Boulevard, I believe it says on the bottom there. So this is what includes in this one. So she got me that because I don't have any ephemera pieces. I don't have much of it. Also picked up for me the DIY shop phrase stickers. This is 134 stickers. It's $1.49, and these are the little sentiment stickers. I don't have much sentiments, so I'm glad she picked these up for me. And then she also picked up a package of these bobby pin things, but I don't know what exactly they were, like what they were from. Anyway, it says hello and hooray in gold and pink, and I don't remember the other ones. You guys probably have seen them though. She also picked up washi tape from Maggie Holmes, crepe paper. You get 8 washi tapes in there. And this is what's included. Guys, if you hear background noise, that's construction outside, and my bird ripping up paper to keep him busy. And then, okay, when I turn it around, you get the styles of this one. Sorry if it's not focusing, I don't know what's happening. But you don't get no styles on that one, but that's fine. You guys can see what it is. My mom didn't pick up any washi for her because she says she doesn't know how to use it. And then she also got me the Maggie Holmes 6 foiled pages, and this was $2.99. Oh, and the washi tape was $3.99 if you guys didn't see that. You get 24 sheets of the carousel, and this is, what inches is it? 6 by 8. And yeah, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm not gonna do a flip through, you guys, because it seals in and I'm on a time crunch right now. And the last 3 things from Tuesday morning that she picked up for me were the Maggie Holmes chipboard pieces, stickers, 42, it's $2.99. And I'm pretty sure all you guys have seen this. What thing is this one? It says crepe paper bloom. This is the bloom. Now I do have the 6x6 paper pad for bloom, so I kind of want to get like the whole collection. We shall see if that happens. And she also picked me up the Maggie Holmes chipboard dreams crepe paper. You get 39 pieces in there. Look at the girl with the bird, guys. Tell me that's not me with the camera. This is me. Okay. And the last thing from Tuesday morning, my bird got scared. I'm sorry, puppy. The last thing that she picked up for me from Tuesday morning was this Bow Bunny 12 by 12 paper pad. This is by American Crafts, Bow Bunny Cottontail Collection, and you get 48 papers in here. And this was $6.99. I'm gonna be sharing this with my mom. I have 2 Easter swaps that I have joined. So, and these are the papers in the back. I love how they show it there, so then I don't have to do a flip through. Very cute, very vintagey. I don't have nothing Easter, no paper Easter. So I was like, Mom, you gotta pick it up. I'm gonna share with her because you get a lot of sheets. You get 48 sheets. The heck is that? Last but not least, I picked up some stuff from Scrapbooking for Less, and I picked up these jelly bean soup stickers. They're white sentiments, wise words. They're celebrate, miss you, hello, hi, thanks, and thank you. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, so I picked up that. And when I placed the order, I got this, I don't really know what it is, polka dot border. That's what it is. It just came in. I hope you, hold on, let me see if you guys can see. See that? Okay, so I can use that for something, right? And I also picked up some Maggie Holmes stuff. But before I get to that, I'm just gonna quickly show you. I picked up these sticker accents. It says My Little Girl, 27 stickers by Echo Park. I also picked up some St. Patrick theme one, but I gifted it to my friend Phone Jones, so I can't share that with you. But I thought these stickers were super cute, and I think these were like 99 cents, so that's why I picked it up, along with this birthday girl stickers, accent stickers, and this is from Echo Park too. And I bought some paper to match this, kinda. I think it's the same brand, I believe. I picked up the Happy Birthday Ephemera die cut pieces. Like I have mentioned, I don't have any die cuts. So when I see these die cuts, I like to pick them up. They're 33 pieces and they're by Echo Park. And that's what you get in the bag. I'm gonna show you all the loose paper that I picked up for like the Happy Birthday theme, all by Echo Park. I got this one here with the balloons and the numbers, super cute. They're double-sided, this side is pink with stars. So apparently I got 2 of each. I also picked up 2 of these, of the cupcakes, and I love the colors. And on the back it is yellow with stars, super cute. I also picked up a pink and teal, as you can see there. And I also got the Happy Birthday one with the balloons, and the cake, and the confetti, and the piñata. So cute. And then the back. I really like the back. So I'm really happy I got 2 of these because I don't have much birthday theme stuff. And the last 2 sheets is the festive floral. And you get the floral there. And then the polka dots. So moving on to Maggie Holmes. I picked up the flourish, and like I said, 2 each. I guess they come 2 each. So you get this floral here. And on the back is the pink with the polka dots. The next one I got is the greenhouse flourish. So cute. I love the lemons, and I love like the dark colors with the bright colors. Very nice. Then this one is flourish as well, hummingbird. And you know me, it has the hummingbirds and the birdies. Yeah, so super cute. Love the back on that as well. The last couple of sheets, I got this one here. This one is flourish as well. And look at the back, you guys. Very nice. Flourish again, magnolia, and that's the floral, and then the stripe pink. And the last 2 things I picked up was this chipboard, crepe paper, Maggie Holmes. This is, what thing is this? I don't even know. Guys, I'm learning. So this is the chipboard pieces. I bought 2, one for my mom and one for me, because we're trying to build our stash of Maggie Holmes. Alright, you guys, that's all for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, give me some comments down below, and I will check you guys on my next one.